Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the ASUS ROG XBOX Ally. Complete review. ASUS ROG XBOX Ally, 2025. The ASUS ROG XBOX Ally is a Windows-based handheld gaming PC created in collaboration with Microsoft Xbox and ASUS Republic of Gamers. Positioned as a portable powerhouse that brings your Xbox Game Pass library and PC gaming on the go, it's one of the most talked about gaming handhelds of 2025. Overview: what it is. The ROG XBOX Ally is not just another handheld console. It's a full Windows 11 gaming PC in a controller-like handheld body. Powered by an AMD Ryzen Z2A processor and built with gamer-friendly ergonomics and controls, it aims to bridge the gap between PC and Xbox gaming in a portable form. The higher-end sibling, the ROG XBOX Ally X, upgrades performance further with a Ryzen AI Z2 Extreme processor, more RAM, and bigger storage. But today we're focusing on the standard Xbox Ally model. Specs snapshot. Operating system: Windows 11 Home. Processor: AMD Ryzen Z2A. Quad/8 thread APU. Graphics: AMD Radeon Integrated Graphics. Display: 7.0 Full HD, 1080p, 120 Hz, FreeSync Premium. Memory: 16 GB LPDDR5. Storage: 512 GB NVMe SSD. Battery: 60 WH. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth. Ports: USB-C, DisplayPort plus PD, microSD reader, audio jack. Weight: 670 g, 1.48 pounds. Design and build quality. The Xbox Ally features familiar console-style grips and a button/analog stick layout inspired by the Xbox controller. Comfortable even for longer play sessions and easy for controller gamers to adapt to. Its 71080p 120Hz touchscreen delivers smooth visuals, sharper than many competitors in the handheld gaming PC space, with FreeSync Premium ensuring reduced tearing and smoother motion in fast action scenes. Build-wise, it feels solid and premium, with intuitive shoulder buttons, triggers, and responsive thumbsticks. The ergonomics make it feel more like a dedicated gaming device than a mini laptop. Performance. What it can do. The ROG Xbox Ally's Ryzen Z2A processor paired with 16 GB RAM makes it capable of handling a wide range of games, but with some important context. Real-world gaming reality. Indie and less demanding titles run smoothly at 1080p/60 FPS with high settings. Modern AAA games like Forza Horizon 5 and Cyberpunk 2077 require tuning, usually lower resolution or graphics settings to maintain smooth frame rates. Benchmarks and hands-on reports indicate that while the Ally is solid for casual and cloud gaming, it's not a desktop replacement. Its performance is more comparable to early-generation handheld gaming PCs in the same price bracket. However, the Xbox full-screen experience overlay and game bar integration improve accessibility to your games and settings, making game switching and performance tweaking easier without diving deep into Windows menus. Battery life. Battery life on handheld gaming PCs is always a compromise. On the ROG Xbox Ally, light or casual games can run for several hours in low-power modes. Demanding games, especially AAA titles, see battery drain much faster, often 1 to 3 hours depending on performance mode and graphics settings. This means handheld play away from a charger is fun for short sessions, but long travel play might need a power bank or charger nearby. Software and ecosystem. Being a Windows 11 device is both a strength and a challenge. Pros. Full access to PC game libraries, Steam, Ubisoft Connect, Epic Games, and more. Built-in Xbox Game Pass support with Game Bar makes jumping into Game Pass titles intuitive. Open platform. You can install emulators, productivity apps, and more. Cons. Windows isn't always perfect for handheld experiences. Some UI elements are designed for keyboard/mouse, making setup and navigation feel clunky at times. Initial setup involves Windows updates, game installs, and launcher setups, which can take time and effort. Users often recommend patience with setup, as early experience can feel confusing, but rewards come once everything is installed and optimized. Controls and gaming experience. Controls are functional and familiar, very similar to Xbox controllers, making pickup and play easy for console gamers. Thumbsticks, buttons, and triggers get the job done well, and the handheld remains comfortable even during longer sessions. The audio system, paired with Dolby Atmos and smart amplifiers, delivers clear and immersive sound, making single-player games especially engaging without headphones. Pros. What's good? Comfortable Xbox-style controls and ergonomic design. Smooth 120Hz 1080p display with FreeSync Premium. Full Windows 11 gaming more flexible than closed handheld systems. Good range of games supported via Game Pass and PC libraries. Solid hardware for indie and medium AAA performance. Cons. What could be better? Battery life is limited during high-demand gaming sessions. Windows UI not optimized for handheld mode yet. Not ideal for cutting-edge AAA performance at native 1080p. Setup can be confusing for first-time users. Who this is for? Casual gamers who want portable Xbox and PC gaming. Game Pass fans who like cloud and local gameplay on the go. PC gamers who want flexibility to install and run whatever they like. Not ideal if you want a pure console-like experience with zero setup or if you prefer long, uninterrupted battery gaming on heavy AAA titles. Final verdict. The ASUS ROG XBOX Ally is a compelling step forward in portable gaming, combining the freedom of Windows PC gaming with Xbox integration and strong hardware. It's not perfect, but its versatility, performance, and Xbox ecosystem support make it one of the most exciting handheld gaming PCs of 2025. If you prioritize gaming freedom and flexibility, the ROG XBOX Ally is worth serious consideration. But be prepared for setup tweaks, Windows quirks, and some battery compromises along the way. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you want full camera comparisons, battery tests, or a deep dive on performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.